There's Abby. Hi, Abby. Hey guys. This isn't an update or a lawn cutting video. It's actually a review on my grandma's tiller and her lawnmower. The 2015 Craftsman Easy Walk. Craftsman Easy Walk. Pull that out. Alright, I'll pull it out. I'm not gonna start them for you because it's late at night. It's like 8:52. So let's start with the lawnmower. Before we do that, let's close the door. So here's the 2015 Craftsman Easy Walk lawnmower. This is just like what Lawnboy 8461 has, except his has kind of weirder looking starter handle, and his is called an Easy 2 Walk. This thing's just an easy walk. I kind of like it because self-propelled works. It has large wheels in the back, just like my Craftsman, the Honda, and this thing sounds just like my lawnmower, but except mine doesn't have the electric start. I wish they could still make these mowers with the Honda engine, with the electric starts, and this thing. Alright, so it is 190 cc's. This thing's gonna be a little bit louder than my Honda, and this thing's a little hard to pull. When you don't pull the ignition handle. Oh, sorry. And I like this handle. I like this feature on the self-propelled. So I could just push my hand and then I just mow the lawn. I just mow the lawn and then and has a 22-inch deck. Wait, here, now I'll do it. And one of the interesting features is that it has the deck washer, which I'm gonna tip this over and check out the deck. Alrighty. Alright. There. So, sharp blade. My lawnmower has a dual blade, as you saw in my lawn cutting videos. If you can see it good, which I don't think you could see it that good because it's so dark in there. This thing's a little quiet too. And the engine is made in the USA. Awesome. And as you can see, it's a Craftsman with the Briggs and Stratton platinum engine. My lawnmower used to be my grandma's, and it had a Honda engine, which I think I've already featured that. So yeah. Here's the button, which if I push the handle, I'm not gonna push the button if I put the handle on. I really love this feature. And it's got the ready start. It's got ready start, so don't need to prime it or choke it. I can just pull it off. push the handle, pull the cord, and go. There's Nick over there. He's wandering off where our old lawnmower used to be. Alright, so that's all I think I know about the lawnmower. Alright, now we move on to the tiller. So this thing is a let me see if I can find the I think this thing is this thing's a 2015 cub-cadet CC148 4-stroke engine, which I love the 4-stroke. It's very easy to pull, just like my dad's Honda FG110. Nick, please do not interrupt. I'm trying to make a video here.
I won't interrupt.
Okay, so just ignore my brother. Alright. So it's got this thing has the same engine as they used in the Troy-Bilt 4-stroke trimmers. It has the same engine. A little bit tall for me, which I prefer the Honda. I prefer the Honda because it's small. The pull cord's right here, just like on their Honda trimmers. And unlike my Honda, the on-off switch departs back to the position, and the throttle's the same. I'll do a video of it being started tomorrow after my brother's game, and after I mow the lawn and do all my work that I need to do, which my cousin Mason and I trimmed all of that. Nick, please don't throw it over the fence again. Sorry, I just warned my brother. Yeah, but my only dislikes about it is that it idles pretty fast, and if I move it back, the tines hit the wheels. I like the Honda better because it's quieter. It always starts in one pole, just like any Honda engine. And as well, I'm not going to start that. Ow! Sorry. Ouch. Okay, so that was a review, and see you tomorrow. Thanks.